Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Pop your hood. This lever here. Find the safety release. Pull it up. Prop your hood up. Just like that. Remove this trim piece. There's 3 clips here, here, and here. The trick to these is you just push them in with your finger like that. They'll go in a little bit. And then you can pull this right up, put that off to the side. Remove the 5 clips on the top of the bumper, right here, and then 2 more on this side. You can use a plastic trim tool from 1aauto.com just to pull these up. Sneak it under here, pull up, like that. Take a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Remove these 2 bolts. These feel a little bit rusty, so I'm going to use some rust penetrant. Definitely don't want to break these, so you might want to tighten it a little bit, let the rust penetrant work itself in the threads. Then loosen it back up. Just very carefully. When you feel it get real tight, tighten it back up. And repeat this process until they're removed. We're going to raise and support our vehicle. We have a 2-post lift, but you can do this in the driveway on the ground. There's a series of 10mm bolts along the bottom edge of the bumper. We're going to soak these in rust penetrant because they do look pretty rusty. Now you can remove those 6 10mm bolts. These also have a spot for Phillips, but a 10mm is going to be easier. There's 3 clips, just like the ones on the top of the bumper. One here, one in the center here, and one on this end here. You can remove those. Over on the driver's side, you can pull this little panel down. And before we remove the bumper, we want to disconnect this harness here. So you want to push in on this lock here, pull down, and disconnect that harness. In the wheel well, there's a 10mm bolt here you'll have to remove, and a trim clip here. You take a flat blade screwdriver and spin this horizontal, and then use a trim tool to pull that out, just like that. Now you can remove the 10mm bolt. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. And you want to pull the fender liner back a little bit, grab the bumper, and just give it a good tug. If you need to, you can very carefully slide a trim tool in here and just very lightly pop this out. Just like that. It'd be helpful to have somebody to hold the other side of this while you remove the other side. Now you can remove the bumper. There's two horns, one here, one here. The process to remove and replace them is the same. I'm going to use some rust penetrant on these because they are a bit rusty. We'll just do this one to show you how to do either one. Use a 12mm socket and ratchet. I'm going to use an extension just to make it easier. Remove these. Hold on to the horn as you remove the bolt. And you can turn this around. Push down on this tab here. Pull the connector out. Just got to work at it a little bit. Your horn's removed. Reinstall your horn. And reconnect the connector on the back. Like that. Line it up. Reinstall your 12mm bolt. Tighten it down. Your 12mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Reinstall your bumper. Line it up on the top. Hold the front. Line up the edges. Just snap them back into place. Just like that. Push your fender liner back into place. Just like that. Make sure this clip goes back in at the same time. Reinstall this piece. Just push it into place. Reinstall your 10mm bolt. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Reinstall your clips on the top. Just make sure these are pulled out like that. Push the base in and pop the top on. There's one in the center here. And two on each end. Reinstall your two 10mm bolts at the top here. Lay this piece back where it was. It's over this rubber gasket. Line it up. Push your trim clips out. Might help to have something hard to push against. You want them to be like that. Feed those in. Reinstall the 3 trim clips on the top. Reinstall your connector for your turn signals. That'll click. Feed this back up here, like that. Reinstall your bolt here and your trim clip there. Now you can reinstall the rest of the bolts and trim clips on the bottom of the bumper. Close your hood. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.